Edpuzzle allows for students to watch learning videos of content material and show what they know with embedded comprehension questions. Edpuzzle is a great tool for K through 12 students in all content areas. Using Edpuzzle for station rotations is the perfect way to incorporate blended learning into your classroom. Once you log into Edpuzzle, you come to this homepage where you can add your own videos or you can search for learning videos. As you can see, I'm under my content and I do have a few Edpuzzles that my students have done. So what you'll do is you'll select a video. And this allows you to either preview the video or to look at the multiple choice questions that are embedded into the learning video. You can see that this is a plotting basic fractions on a number line, and as students go throughout this video, they have these little checkpoints at the bottom where there's a multiple choice questions. One feature of Edpuzzle that I really enjoy is making sure that students do not skip through this. So as they are watching, you can select that they have to answer the multiple choice question in order to progress. So as they go through, they have to answer each of the multiple choice questions that gets embedded into the content. You can assign this video to your classroom, whether it's by giving your students a link or you can embed it into your Google Classroom. And then you can also move them to folders where you can house them by content areas. As you can see, you can also discover Edpuzzles, and this is where you, if you don't already have a PowerPoint presentation, you can search through the pre-made learning videos that other teachers have uploaded. So I'm just going to do a quick search and show you. So I'm going to put in Colonial America, and we'll just see what pops up. So as you can see that there are some pre-made learning videos by different educators. One thing that I really appreciate about Edpuzzle is that you can search by subject and grade level. I think this is very important as you don't want to get content that would be too over your student's head. And then you can pick whether you want this to be a YouTube video or an Edpuzzle host. Usually the Edpuzzle hosts have been vetted pretty heavily, and I enjoy a lot of their content. So if I were to select this first Colonial America on Southern colonies, I would want to preview this to make sure that it was just age appropriate. And as you can see that there, these little teardrops at the bottom or raindrops, those are the comprehension questions that your student would answer. Let's say I want to assign this video to my class. I would then use my Google Classroom, and this is that prevent skipping feature that I think which is amazing. You can also turn on the closed captions if you have ELL students or if you had students with that needed assisted technology. And so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to select and I'm going to assign, and then I can show you how you can view your students' progress. So after you have assigned your video, you can scroll down and you can see how well your students did in that content area. That would help you to determine if you needed to pull small groups or if you needed to enrich or remediate students. I hope you enjoyed learning about Edpuzzle today.